Welcome to this rare development opportunity in a close-in Southwest Portland neighborhood. This property encompasses 1.81 acres with a potential for 8 buildable lots on 5 tax lots. This unique prime location for custom-built homes is within walking distance to PCC and offers easy access to Lake Oswego as well as downtown Portland. Conveniently situated for access to shopping, parks, entertainment, freeways, and schools, including Wilson High School, Jackson Middle, and Markham Elementary. This property has potential for 8 large lots, ranging in size from 7,000 to 12,000 square feet, in a neighborhood that supports homes of more than $650,000. The property is beautifully wooded with a canopy of deciduous and conifer trees. It's also crossed by a stream that provides beauty and functional drainage. The utilities are adjacent to the property, and the sewer extends down Southwest 61st, and some sewer laterals branch off the main line through the property and are available for some of the lots. The best of all worlds, a convenient close-in location with secluded ambiance, a hidden gem offering exceptional possibilities. Information provided is an estimate of what can be done on property and subject to change. Buyer to perform their own due diligence. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Directors Mortgage.